Copy color grading from one clip to another in under 1 second? Most beginners waste hours redoing the same grade manually. Subscribe right now and watch until the end because I will show you a hidden mouse trick that changes everything. Let's go! Navigate to the color page in Davinci Resolve where all your clips are visible. You must be on the color tab. This is very important. If you are on any other tab, this trick will not work. Keep watching because step 2 is where the magic happens. Click on the clip you want to apply the color grade to. This selects it as your target. Then move down your timeline and find the clip that already has color grading applied to it. Now here is the secret. Click the middle mouse button, the scroll wheel, on the graded clip. Boom! The color is instantly applied to your selected clip. This single click saves you minutes of manual work. Stay with me, there is one more pro tip. You can select any clip you want to grade. Then move your mouse toward a clip that already has the color grade you like. Simply click the middle mouse button again, and the color will be applied automatically. That is it. No menus, no copying, no pasting. Just one click. This hidden trick is something most Davinci Resolve users never discover. Now you know the fastest way to copy color grading in Davinci Resolve using just the middle mouse button. If this tip saved you time, hit that subscribe button right now, turn on the notification bell, and comment the word boom below so I know this worked for you. In my next video, I will show you how to save and reuse your favorite grades across any project. You do not want to miss it. Subscribe now.